Hi guys, in this video lecture I'm going to discuss about how to install Codex in Visual Studio Code, then run codes. So here you can see Visual Studio, that's Visual Studio Code already installed in my system. So here is the Visual Studio Code and there is directory and this Python code is there. So here I'm going to close now. First going to download and install the Codex. So here in Google search box right there Codex, then go on this openai.com. So let's click this. Then you can see on this here Codex, try with free and enjoy 2x rate limit. So here you can try this on different ID like VSCode, cursor and here JetBrains. So they're going to select the VSCode. When you select here VS Code, then you can get this Open Visual Studio Code. Open Visual Studio Code. Let's click this. And this here Visual Studio Code, that's open there. And wait for a few seconds. Now you can get this Codex OpenAI coding agent. So you need to click on this install. So you need to click on this install and for this one net must be connected and you should wait for few second times to complete this install as well as download. Now you can see this here Codex start install and here the icon that's created for the Codex, you need to click this. Let's click on this sign it with ChatGPT and there let's use the Microsoft Edge. So continue with Google. Let's give their email. Now you can see here sign into Codex, that's done here. Now let's click on this next and here explaining, click on this next and next and next, and now this place you can write any code. So writing there print or pyramid program in Python. So you can ask any kind of question this place. So this is the code is there. Let's copy, paste there, Control S to save. Now let's click on this run Python file. So first that will display your hello world and let's give there 5. So this here returning the pyramid program. Now thereafter let's do the searching. So this time I'm going to print here tick toy program in Python. So this here it's a searching tick toy program. Now let's scroll down. This is the code. So first selecting Control S to save. And now let's click on this run. So this here player X enter 1 to 9. Let's give there 7. Not this place. There 7. Here you can see this 7 place X. Let's give there 8. Let's give there 9. Let's give there 5, 4, 2, player 0 wins. Okay, so this is how we can use your Codex in Visual Studio Code, and this is how we can install this Codex on Visual Studio Code. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.